it's Vidhi and I'm back with another haul. I have shopped from SheIn a lot of times, but I have ordered only 1 or 2 items. Although this video is not a huge haul, but I have ordered 6 to 8 items and I'm going to show you all the items and I'm going to give you the review about that. Also, this is a try-on haul, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, let's get started. So SheIn's packaging is quite simple. It comes in this white bag and every item is in this bag. The first item I got is this long maxi dress. You guys know me that how much I love maxi dresses. The material is so soft and so comfortable. Also, it's a button-down maxi dress, so you can always wear it as a shrug. It has a beautiful floral print and it fits amazing. I will mention the prices here, so you don't need to worry about that, and the link of every item will be in the description box, so don't forget to check it out. The next thing I got is this basic black top. It has a patch over it and you can also check out the neck design, which is really awesome. This is in the size large, and talking about the quality is amazing. It is not too thin and it has a very soft material. You can wear it in summer. The next thing I got is this legging from SheIn. I really loved it because of this neck design at the bottom, but to be very honest, the quality is very cheap, guys, and sadly it doesn't fit me, but I am very happy because the quality is very bad, so maybe I'll exchange this with another product. Quick tip for SheIn is that always order a size up. The next thing I got is this beautiful black maxi dress. It is again a button down dress, so you can always wear it as a long jacket or a maxi dress. I got it just because of this neck design. You can see this. It looks so pretty, the fabric is so amazing and it looks perfect for the summer. Next thing I got is this red palazzo pants. I really love the color. The only disadvantage it has is that it doesn't have any pockets. For a casual day out, I really like it. I really love the color. It's not too dark, too light, and it's just amazing. You can always wear it with the crop top, with kurta, with anything. The fit is amazing, and the best part is that it is super comfy and super airy, and it is perfect for the summers. The size we have is again large. You can always see the review section at the bottom and see the original pictures of the product, and then you can order them. The next thing I got is this pair of sunglasses. It really suits my face. Also, the quality is amazing, guys. The last item I got is the pair of hoops. I have a serious obsession with them. I got one from Mumbai last time, and this time I ordered it from SheIn. So yeah, that's it for the haul, guys. If you wish to see more such hauls, comment down below and also tell me which item was your favorite. And if you guys enjoy this video, make sure you give a big thumbs up. And if you guys are new here, hey, it's Vidhi. I make YouTube videos on fashion, beauty, travel and a lot of stuff. You can check all the links given here and subscribe kar do yaar. It's totally free, guys, and be a part of this amazing community. Also click that bell button so that you never miss a video, and follow me on all my social media, especially Instagram, because I'm super fun there, and I'll see you next time. Bye.